Look what came in the mail today. I got a membership in exchange for an honest review, and this is the final package they sent me, kind of in exchange for doing some videos and just for an honest review of some wooden puzzles. Very nice. I love, look at that contrast. I've seen this puzzle before for sale with the contrasting pieces here. You can see, oh, look at that. That piece moves down. I bet that makes this one now move down. So, oh, and here we go. And that piece would then come out. I'm going to leave this together until I can take a really close look at how all these pieces work together and get that figured out. I'll have a solution for that one. This heart-shaped one, I've seen similar puzzles to this. In fact, it's a lot like the colored sphere ball. Having this piece come out, you can kind of see that, but this is a nice unique one with the rough sawn, kind of rough wooden edges. And the last one, another contrasting colored puzzle. Let's go ahead and show a solution for this one. So I'll do a spoiler break and then show you the solution for taking this one apart and putting it back together, because I am very familiar with this type of puzzle. Let's take a look. This puzzle is similar to another puzzle that I did in a 3-pack I had before. With this one, what we're going to do is to take it apart, you need to kind of grab 3 corners and 3 corners and slide it straight out. And, oh, it looks like, there we go. It's just going to fall apart. Alright, cool. Now, the other puzzle I have does not have the contrasting pieces, so that's going to make this one a little bit more challenging to make sure that I do get them in the right order. To put it back together, what we'll do is we'll put the pieces like this. The center piece is in. We'll take that third piece and put it in like that. That gives us half of the puzzle. We'll do the same thing with this side. And if I can, let's see if I can set this down. No, that's not going to stay. So I'm going to have to hold this while I do it. This is going to be a challenge. Okay. So let's see if I can put these pieces together as well. That one, and that one. So we've got those 3 and those 3, and then we'll slide them together. Now, I did not put the contrasting of the 2 opposite pieces opposite each other, but you saw how that went together. So let's try that one more time. I'm seeing if I can maybe, nope, slide it out and save some of it. So I'm going to try that one more time. This time putting the contrasting pieces, see if I can figure this out. So that's going to go there. This one's going to go here. And then that piece is going to fit right in there. So when I slide these ones out, that's where that one's going to go. Come on. You're going to hold together nicely for me? Look at that. Okay. And there we go. All back together again. A little bit complicated and a little bit touchy, as you can see. Anyway, so these are the puzzles. I'll do a solution video for these 2 at some future date, so stay posted for that. Thank you again for sending this out and for helping to support this channel. I will have the link for this company where you can get subscriptions to getting puzzles delivered to your home for a subscription cost every month. I hope that video was helpful for you. Have a wonderful day.